Hello everyone, this is me, Devoshmita Sarkar. Today we are going to talk about CBSE Class 8 Civics, Chapter 10, Law and Social Justice. So let's begin. Introduction. According to a law on minimum wages, a worker has to be paid not less than the minimum wage by the employer. There are other laws that protect the interest of the producer and consumers in the market. These help ensure that the relations between these three parties, that is the worker, consumer and producer, are governed in a manner that is not exploitive. By making enforcing and upholding laws, the government can control the activities of individuals or private companies so as to ensure social justice. What is a worker's worth? In India, one worker can easily replace another. There is so much unemployment that many workers are willing to work in unsafe conditions in return for a wage. Thus, even so many years after the Bhopal gas tragedy, there are regular reports of accidents in construction sites, mines or factories due to the careless attitude of the employers. A worker's worth is the value he or she has in the eyes of an industry he or she is employed in. Enforcement of safety laws. The government is supposed to ensure that the safety laws are implemented. It is also the duty of the government to ensure that the right to life guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution is not violated. As we can see from the Bhopal gas tragedy, the negligence of the government is the reason for such a hazardous disaster. Government officials refused to recognize the plant as hazardous and allowed it to come up in a populated locality. The government didn't ask Union Carbide to shift to cleaner technology or safer procedures. Government inspectors continued to approve the procedures in the plant even when repeated incidents of leaks from the plant made it obvious to everybody that things were seriously wrong. Safety was being disregarded both by the government and by private companies in this case. So with this we came to the end. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.